Hello, my lovely English learners. I'm Mina and I'm honored to have you here. Thank you very much for showing up. In this video, we'll explore 10 phrasal verbs about relationship that enhance your ability to express your emotions, interactions, and communication. So let's grab your notebook and dive into the world of phrasal verbs about relationships. To start off, we have the phrasal verb build up. Repeat. Build up. Build up. Build up. This phrasal verb means to establish or develop a connection or relation over time. It's like adding bricks one by one to build a strong relationship. For example, they worked really hard to build up a strong and trusting friendship. Next, we have fall through. Repeat. Fall through. Fall through. Fall through. This phrasal verb means that something, usually a plan, arrangement, or agreement, does not happen or is not successful as intended. When a planned date or engagement doesn't happen for some reasons, we say the engagement fell through. For example, their plan to go on a vacation together fell through because of an unexpected work meeting. Now let's talk about the phrasal verb patch things up. Repeat. Patch things up. Patch things up. Patch things up. It is used when you repair a relationship that has faced difficulties or strains. It means fixing a problem or disagreement. When you patch things up, you work with your partner together to make things better. For example, after their argument, they took time and patched things up in their friendship. Up next, we have grow closer. Repeat. Grow closer. Grow closer. Grow closer. Grow closer refers to the process of forming a stronger connection with someone over time. It means becoming more attached and friendly with each other as you spend more time together and share experiences. For example, the shared experiences during their vacation helped them to grow closer. Are you ready for the next one? It's the phrasal verb reach out. Repeat. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. It means making an effort to connect with someone on a personal or emotional level, like extending your hand to connect to them, to offer help or support, or just get in touch. For example, she reached out to her old friend to reconnect. Moving forward to stand by. Repeat. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. This phrasal verb means to support someone emotionally, mentally, or physically. It means to remain loyal to someone, especially in difficult and challenging situations, like being there for someone when they need you and show them your commitment. For example, he always stands by his partner through thick and thin. It means he stays supportive and loyal regardless of challenges and hardships. Up next, we have hold dear. Repeat. Hold dear. Hold dear. Hold dear. This phrasal verb implies valuing and cherishing someone or something deeply. In this case, you're keeping someone or something very close to your heart because they are important to you. For example, she holds dear the time they spent together. Our next beautiful phrasal verb is to open up. Repeat. Open up. Open up. Open up. This phrasal verb refers to sharing thoughts, experiences, or feelings with others. When you let someone into your thoughts and experiences, often to create a closer connection or to seek understanding. For example, they opened up to each other about their fears and dreams. What is the hardest thing for you to open up about? Share your thoughts in comments below. Moving on to deepen bonds. Repeat. Deepen bonds. Deepen bonds. Deepen bonds. This is an essential phrasal verb which means to make a relationship more meaningful and stronger by getting to know each other better and sharing experiences. For example, quality time spent together helps deepen bonds between friends. Tell me what helps you deepen your bonds between your friends and family. And lastly, we have the phrasal verb keep up. Repeat. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. This phrasal verb involves maintaining a relationship in good condition through consistent effort. You're making sure your relationship continues at the same level or quality without falling behind. For example, despite their busy schedule, they always make an effort to keep up their close relationship. And there you have it. 10 essential phrasal verbs about relationships that express different feelings, interactions, and connections. Use them in your daily conversation to talk about relationships more confidently and fluently. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or students. Subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. Use your time and watch one of these videos here to improve your English. I'll catch you in the next video.